Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install DBeaver latest version, that is 25.2 on Fedora Linux 42. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website. It is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two versions, community and pro. Community is open source and pro is commercial version. I'm going to download and install community. So click on download. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.2.3. And for RHL or Fedora Linux operating systems, we have to download this Linux RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is about 120 megabytes. Open terminal. See, download is completed. Go to terminal. ls. See here we have the DBeaver C. C means community edition. So install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps. Then give the DBeaver. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed DBeaver C. C means community edition. Its version is 25.2 stable version. Now go to applications. Then show applications. See here we have the DBeaver C. C means community edition. Click on it to open. Now we are going to connect MySQL and PostgreSQL server. I have installed both MySQL and PostgreSQL server on Fedora Linux 42. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL and PostgreSQL server latest versions on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, click on this database connection or go to database and select new database connection. Either is same. Then select the MySQL. Then click on next. See, connect by host or URL. I am going to connect by using host. So localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one, and port number is 3306. Then provide the database that is existed in this MySQL server. Then username is root. Then provide the password of this root account. If we have given some other user, then provide that username and password detail. Then provide the password of that user. Then click on test connection. See, public key retrieval is not allowed. Sometimes you will receive an error like download the driver files. Then you have to click on download. Okay, now go to driver properties. Then public key retrieval, by default it is false, make it as true. Then click on test connection again. See, password wrong, I think. Go back to main. Then provide the password. Then click on test connection. See, successfully made connection and version is 8.4.7. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. See, here we have databases and users. Expand databases. See, we have the database. Right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Let us verify the currently connected MySQL server version. Select the query. Click on execute. See, we have connected to 8.4.7. If you want to run the query against the table that is there in this database, select it. See, you got the output. Okay, the same way if you want to connect PostgreSQL server, again click on this new button, then select the PostgreSQL, then click on next. Localhost is 543 is the default port number. Show databases, then provide the password of this user. As I told you, whatever the user you provided here, we have to provide that password. Then click on test connection. This will also ask us to install driver files. Okay, then you have to click on download. See, after that we will get this connected. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server 18.0. Then click on finish. See, here we have the other connection. Expand the connection. Expand databases. See, here we have the same. Okay, so we have successfully installed DBeaver on Fedora Linux 42 and connected to MySQL and PostgreSQL server. ls. See, this file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. rm db ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver latest version, that is 25.2 on Fedora Linux 42. Then we have seen how to connect to both MySQL and PostgreSQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.